Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the daily scan for Monday, August 19th, 2013. This will probably be a pretty short video. We have nothing going on from an announcement perspective that could be market impacting for today. Jumping right over and taking a look at Asia. Kind of mixed, a little some are up and some are down. Sensex, which is India, is still hurting a bit. I know that they were down some last week. And over in Europe, we're looking at midday. Everything's pointing down pretty significantly, or at least a solid bearish looking day over there. So let's take a look at what could be happening here. Alright, right now our futures are looking pretty flat at this time. And gold is at 1375. Wow, it's actually heading towards that 1400 mark. Let's take a quick look at a chart since we're going to have some extra time here. See how it looks. Alright, we have a 50 moving average that was moving down, and it looks like it's beginning to flatten out. On the weekly chart, we have some momentum coming back into the market after the MACD was down for quite some time after this. Was that the high back there? Where's the high? Here's the high. Back here was 1923 back in 2011. Wow, it doesn't seem that long ago to me. Time flies when you're having fun, obviously. But anyway, lately the MACD has been down for quite some time. Actually, since this high here last October. So now the MACD appears to be moving up, and that's a good sign for gold. So overall, long term, right now, I just turned bullish on gold. Alright, let's go back here. Anything else we want to look at? Oil still at almost at 107, a little disappointing there. Of course, with all the turmoil going on in the world right now, that's to be expected. As far as our positions are concerned, only have one open right now, and that's the weekly spiders. And there it is if you want to see it, and we can take a quick look at a chart. Here's my in play. I need to clean this up. So I'll just quickly go over and say, well, Celgene, I had to close. Well, that was successful, actually. So I can take that one out. That one expired favorably. Chipotle expired favorably. Gold expired favorably. That was the Iron Condor. Google expired favorably. LinkedIn, I got burned on that one. Don't even want to look at that one anymore. Netflix, I had to exit early because it went bad on me. And TLT expired favorably. So this is what we're left with. These are, I'm always have Apple up here. And these other ones, AEL, American Equity, XL Corp, and NVIDIA Biopharmaceuticals, I just always have up here. So the only option trade that I have right now is on the spiders, and that's the weekly. Weekly 10 a.m. strategy that I came out with quite a while back. So I did one the previous week, and that was favorable. That was a bear call. I did another bear call on Friday at this level here, which is, where is this here? 168.5. That Yes, I did. So I forget that we have 50-cent spreads on this now. So let's take a look at where we're at. So there's 50-cent spreads on this, and I always pick 2 whole full strikes away for this. So we're at 168.5 and 170.5. So that's where that one is right now. Here's the risk profile. And Thinkorswim did an enhancement this weekend, or an upgrade. And I'm supposed to get some different, this is supposed to look different. And I sent them an email to ask them about it because mine doesn't look any different. I see this new box up here, which I don't think I remember seeing this before. So I'm not really sure what the heck is going on here and why I'm not seeing it. If there's something I have to turn on or not, I'm not sure. But with that in mind, let's just jump right over to the A+ list and we'll start working on that. I think this might be a new record for me for short video, at least lately. Apple's looking really good. Maybe it's going to give us an entry point here, so I'm going to throw a target in here. Probably like right around here. Which could be sometime this week. It may present us an opportunity to jump in on this, looking really bullish. Amazon. I don't think any of my alerts went off. Let's just take a look here. I have an alert on MasterCard and Goldman. And this Google, I'll take a look at Google and see why it's there. But anyway, Amazon definitely looking quite bearish itself here. Maybe it will give us an opportunity to get in on this move. Could do it as a chasing trade. Did I have Amazon? All my messages have been cleared off, so I don't know if that went off last week or not. If I even had one last week. I do have an Amazon that I had Friday. I did not get in on it. I'm looking at my notes here. It did trigger and I did not get in on it. Probably because I was not here. It was kind of a busy day Friday. So that's where that is at. Still, let's take a look here at the weeklies and see what a 20 would give us. Oops. All right. A 20 delta would be possibly at this 290. 290. A little tight. Just a little tight. Of course, if you really believe it's going to go down, you could do a 1-to-1, and that would be right here at the money. 285. That's almost a 1-to-1. Pretty close. Risk reward. 250 credit would be a perfect 1-to-1, but we still have a little bit of movement here to be expected on this. We could get another 18 cents, which may move it a little bit closer. This one here, it's 50 cents in the money, so that gives you a better than 1-to-1. So, I don't know. I'm not going to chase that. I may, in hindsight, it may end up being a mistake, but got to stick to the rules, or at least try to. Counter trend for Monday. Yeah, I wanted to look at this and see if this counter trend trade would work out on BIDU, and it seems to be that it could. Yes, so we may want to do a counter trade on this, so I am going to set an alert in here. We may be in a correction. Exactly how deep a correction we could end up in, I don't know. Celgene, this one worked out, so we're just going to delete that and delete that. No entry here on Celgene, definitely in a pretty strong down move. CF Industries, still just moving sideways. Moving sideways. Chipotle. This one worked out, so we'll just delete all drawings. And we are seeing here the 9 exponential is moving down. We have a lot of magenta dots here. We're moving down here, and we have a possible hook forming here, so we're going to put an alert on this one. It also is a counter trend trade. Move this up just a tad here. Yeah, so it's more in line with what's going on over here. So that's where we are now. So we have an alert right now on Chipotle. And again, just to review, it looks like we're going to get a hook here. We're moving down on the MACD on the daily. And we're moving down stochastic and MACD on the weekly. So we have a lot of confirmation there for a continued move in a lower direction on Chipotle. Gold is bullish right now. Like I said, I'm bullish. Iron Condor here worked out okay. So we're going to delete all drawings. There's a little bit of a hook here. Everything is up. All our confirmations are up. This also is a counter trend trade. So I think I'm going to put an alert on gold here. And we'll put the alert above this spot here. At or above. That's good. I guess I'm not going to get a record short video today. Alright, this alert was here for a bail. So I'm taking that off and I'm deleting all drawings. Okay, we just started a new downward trend here. We don't have a hook for entry, but still might consider. I mean, everything is looking very, very negative for Google. Oops. At or below. We'll just move it after we make it here. Okay. So we now have an alert down here on Google. Alright, Goldman. Okay, what's going on? We still have an alert on this. Looks still valid to me. So I'm going to leave that there. LinkedIn. Alright, we're trying to fill this gap. Let me delete all my drawings here. This is the one that I got burnt on pretty good. I would be willing to bet that LinkedIn could probably give us a pretty good, well, maybe not, 235, that's up here. Let's see here. It burned me once. I think I'm gonna, well, I think it's gonna fill this gap. There's a good possibility it may fill this gap. We're hooking down on the weekly, hooking down here on the MACD. The moving average is still going up. We're definitely coming down on momentum on the daily. Stochastic a little late on this hook. Had a good day on Friday. I'm going to wait another day on this one. See if it continues down. MasterCard. We still have an alert on that, and that's a reversal here. Let's see. No, this alert is no longer valid. I don't know why it's down there. I don't know what I was doing here. I don't know. MasterCard, I put that alert on Friday and it held. So it's not valid anymore, nor is that. Okay, so that target's, we're not sure if this is going to come up or what, so I'm a little leery on MasterCard. Alright, Netflix, ouch, on this one would have finished fine. So we're going to delete all drawings, start from scratch. Where are we? Flat. And we have a lot of mixed signals. We have a moving average that's going up pretty significantly. We have a huge correction here. This thing is just flying all over the place right now, and it's not showing me anything. Actually, curiously, momentum here is flat. So staying away from Netflix. Price line came down, filled this gap very smartly. Is it going to continue up? I don't know. I need another day on this before I do anything. It's looking pretty strong on the weekly. So give us another day on Priceline. Panera. In a downtrend, but looking like as though it's starting to recover on the weekly. Get rid of all these old drawings here. We are flat momentum wise here on the daily. Downtrend. It's just, nothing's popping at me here, so we take a pass on Panera. Tesla filled the gap very quickly. We just might want to get in on this, so I'm putting, for the first time I think, an alert on Tesla. So how about that, folks? And last but not least, Visa. Looks just like MasterCard almost. Looks like we're in a new downtrend here. Down, 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 down. But I already have... No, I don't. I'm going to put an alert on this one for a bear call. and we'll see what happens with that. Alright, we have alerts on Baidu, Chipotle, Gold, Google, and Tesla, and Visa. And we have still we retained our valid alert on Goldman Sachs, and we took MasterCard off. That's what we did with MasterCard. And that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day, and happy trading.